independent assessment number 3. So we will answer this problem, and here are the questions and the choices. But before we are to answer this problem, we are to make a Venn diagram in order for us to answer easily. So Venn diagram is the solution to set problems. So the problem goes like this. A group of 100 students were asked if they like tennis, soccer, and volleyball. So there are 3 sports: tennis, soccer, and volleyball, and there are 100 students. So this is the cardinality of the universal set. This is universal set. So here is the data. 45 students played tennis, 47 soccer, 50 students volleyball, 29 tennis and soccer, 21 soccer and volleyball, 24 tennis and volleyball, and 15 played all 3 sports. So this N denotes intersection. So this is intersection, this is intersection, this is intersection. And this 15 played all 3 sports. This is intersection of the 3 sports. Tennis, intersection, volleyball, intersection, soccer. So this is the center, or the middle, or the intersection of the 3. Volleyball, soccer. Okay. Now since there are 3 sports, we will draw 3 circles. So Venn diagram. We will make a Venn diagram out of this problem. Okay, a Venn diagram. Okay. So our U, cardinality of our universal set, is 100 students. Then there are 3 circles. 3 circles because there are 3 sports. We have tennis, we have soccer, and we have volleyball. Now let's begin. The technique is you will begin at the bottom. So this one played all 3 sports. So 15. So the 15 is here. This portion here is the intersection of the 3 sports: tennis, soccer, and volleyball. Now next is 24 played tennis and volleyball. So this is intersection of tennis and volleyball. So this is tennis and this is volleyball. So their intersection is this one. And this should be 24. There is 15 already. So what is lacking to 15 to get 24? So it's 9 is here. Now next, 21 played soccer and volleyball. And intersection of soccer and volleyball. So soccer, volleyball. So their intersection is this portion here. And it's 21. But there is 15 already. So lacking 6. 15, lacking 6. So it's 21. So 6 is here. Now next, 29 played tennis and soccer. So this is the circle for tennis. This is the circle for soccer. And their intersection is this one. So there are 29. So what is lacking to 15 to get 29? So it's 14. Okay, 14. Now, next is 50. 50 students said they played volleyball. Volleyball. So this is volleyball. There are 50 students, they said they play volleyball. So 50 volleyball. So here, we have here volleyball. This should be 50. So there is 9, 15, and 6 already. You will add all 3. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 9, 30. So 30. These are 30. So the sum is 30. Lacking 20 to get 50. So 20 is here. Now next, 47. So 47 is soccer. So this is 47. But there are numbers already on the space. So you will add up 14 plus 15 is 29. 29 plus 6 is 35. So there are 35. So 35, there are 47. 35 plus 47, 35. So what is lacking to 35 to get 47? It's 12. Okay, review. 14 plus 15, is 29 plus 6, 35. 35 plus 12 is 47. The next is tennis. 45 students tennis. So tennis, this is there have 3 numbers already. That's 14 plus 15, it's 29 plus 9 is 38. 38. What is lacking to 38 to get 45? It's 7. Okay. Now, when you are to add all of this, is it equal to 100? So let's add. So this circle for tennis, this is 45. 7 plus 9 plus 14 plus 15 is 45. So this is 45 plus 20, 65. 65 plus 6 is 71. 71 plus 12 is 83. Only 83. So if you add up all of this, it's only 83. But we have 100 students. So you subtract 100 minus 83. The answer is 17. So there are 17 who do not like, this is complement, 17 who do not like any of the 3. Do not like tennis, do not like volleyball, do not like soccer. There are 17 students. Now, from this data, we are to answer the problem. Problem number 1. Okay. Now, problem number 1. Okay, problem number 1. Here. Okay, problem number 1. I have already solved the problem above using a Venn diagram, but I am solving the problem again using another method to see if I get the same answer. Am I at which Puglia's fourth step in problem solving? Look back. Because you are reviewing again. So look back. So which of the following is true about the problem solving? Okay. Which of the following is true? 14 students played tennis and soccer. Look at tennis. True. Which is true? Tennis. 14 students played tennis and soccer only. So this is tennis and soccer only. 20 students did not play any of the 3 sports. It's 17. So therefore, this is letter A because 14 students played tennis and soccer only. So this is tennis and soccer only. Okay, number 3. How many students did not choose any of the 3 sports? So how many students? It's 17. So that is 17. Number 4. Identifying all relevant information of the problem above. Identifying all the relevant information or problem above is important as part of which step of Puglia's process. Identifying all the relevant information. It's understanding. Okay. How many students played tennis only? So here, tennis only. So tennis only is 7. So the answer is 7. Tennis only. Okay. Now, let's proceed to the next. So, okay. So let's proceed to the next. This one. Assessment. Now, read and analyze its item carefully and write your answers on a separate sheet of paper. So, we will base our answer on the Venn diagram. Okay? So, again, this is the universal set. Venn diagram, universal set. This is A only, B only, C only. This is A and C only, A and C only, A and B only. 3 is B and C only. And this 2 is A and C. This is B and A, and this portion here is B and C, and this is they don't like any of the 3. Okay, number 1. How many are in set A only? It's 12. A only 12. How many are there in the universal set? So talking about universal set, you are to add up all of this. So 12 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 6, 23. 23 plus 9, it's 32. 32 plus 2, 34. 34 plus 3, 37. 37 plus 10, it's 47. 47 plus 4 is 51. So all in all, they are, again, how many are there in a virtual set? Again, 12 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 6, 23. 23 plus 9, 32. 3 plus 9, it's 32. 32 plus 2, 34. 34 plus 3. 34 plus 3 is 37. 37 plus 10, 47. 47 plus 4, 51. Is there any 51? So this should be 51. Okay, next, number 2. How many did not choose any of the 3? So 4. It's 4. Did not choose any of the 3. 4. How many choose A and B only? A and B only. So it's 5. This is only 5. How many choose C only? So this is C only. It's 2. Okay. What is A union B union C? Okay, again. For number 3, how many choose A and B only? So this is A and B only. This is A and B only. So it's 5. Number 4, how many choose C only? C only. This C only. It's 2. And number 5, what is A union B union C? So talking about union, you are going to add up all these numbers inside the 3 circles. So you have here 12 plus 5, 17 plus 6, 23 plus 9, 32. 32 plus 2, 34. 34 plus 3, 37 plus 10 is 47. So the answer is 47. 47. Union of B. 47. This is 47. Okay. Number 6. Let's answer number 6. In a class of 35 students, there are 19 students join the Sigma Club, 13 join the Yes O Club, and 2 students join both clubs. How many students neither join Sigma nor Yes Club? So it's complement of the Sigma Club and O Club. Now, there are 35 students. This is the cardinality of the universal set. And 13 joins the Yes Club and 2 join both clubs. This is intersection. It is important. Now, draw a Venn diagram. So, Sigma Club and Yes O Club. So, there are 2 clubs, Sigma and Yes O clubs. Now, so it is very important to join both clubs, intersection. So you will write it here, 2. Join both clubs. Now next, okay, in a class of 35 students, so U is 35. Now, 19 students join Sigma Club. So, Sigma Club, 19. So, there is 2 already. What is lacking to get 19? 17. Now, for Yes Club, 13 joined the Yes Club. Yes O Club. So, 13. So, there is 2 already. What is lacking to get 13? It's 11. Now, if you are going to add up 17 plus 2 plus 11, so it's 19 plus 11, it's 30. 19 plus 11, it's 30. And 30. So, there are 35 in a class. So, 35 minus 30, it's 5. So, these 5 students do not join any of the 2 clubs. So, here is 5. Now, how many students neither join the Sigma Club nor Yes O Club? So, these students do not join any of the two clubs. The answer is 5. It's 5. Okay, next. In a class of 15 boys, there are 10 who play basketball and 8 plays chess. How many plays both of the games? Okay, so there are 15 boys. So this is U. Cardinality of universal set. So again, we have a Venn diagram, and there are basketball and chess. There are 2 circles. So this is basketball, this is chess. And if you notice, in a class of 15 boys, so U is 15. Cardinality of universal set is 15. Now, if you add up, 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. So, 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. It exceeds 15. So, 18 minus 15 equals 3. So, therefore, here is 3. This 3 play basketball and chess. Both basketball and chess. So, if this is 3, for basketball, there are 10 who play basketball. So, what is lacking to 3 to get 10? So, it's 7. And 8 play chess. 8. So, there is 3 already. What is lacking to 8 to get, what's lacking to 3 to get 8? It's 5. Okay. So, all in all, if you are to add up 7 plus 3, 10 plus 5, 15. Okay. Now, okay. So, how many plays both of the games? So, both of the games, how many who play basketball and chess? So, it's 3. So, where is 3? So, here is 3. Okay. Next, number 8. Okay. Number 8. Of 60 people with cell phones, 45 take pictures with their cell phone and 30 use to send text messages. How many use their phones to send text messages? So there are 60 people. So this is the cardinality of the universal set, 60. So here, 45 takes pictures. There are 2 gadgets. Take pictures. Take pictures. There are 2. Send messages or text messages. So there are 2. Take pictures and send messages. So there are 2 circles we will draw. So take pictures and send messages. Take pictures and send messages. Now, how many people? 60. So cardinality of U is 60. 60 people. Now, 45 take pictures and 30 used to send text messages. If you add up 45 plus 30, the answer is 45 plus 30 is 75. So 75. And there are 60 only. Only 60 people. So you will subtract 75 minus 60. That's 15. So the 15 is in the center. So these 15 people take pictures and send messages here. Okay. Now let's go to the other information. 45 take pictures. So take pictures 45. We have 15 already. Take pictures 45, 15 already. So what is lacking to 15 to get 45? It's 30. Now, and 30 used to send text messages. So 30 used to send text messages. And there is 15 already. What is lacking 15 to get 30? It's 15. Now, if you add up, 30 plus 15, 45 plus 15 is 60. Check. Now, what is the question? How many use their phones to send text messages. To send text messages. So what is the answer? So there is no only. So the answer is text messages 30. The answer is 30. Text messages 30. Now next, number 9. Okay, number 9. 200 students were asked if they like ice cream, fruit salad, or both. If 160 students like ice cream, then 20 students like both. How many students like fruit salad only? So the same. 200 students were asked. So this is the universal set. Okay. So cardinality of an universal set is 200. So 200 students were asked if they like ice cream, fruit salad, or both. So there are 2 circles to be drawn: ice cream and fruit salad. If 160 students like ice cream and then 20 students like both, so 20 students like both, you will write here the both, 20, both, intersection. Then intersection, then here from the given information, 160 students, 60 students like ice cream. So ice cream 160. So we have 20 already, so lacking 140 ice cream. And fruit salad, how many fruit salad? How many students like fruit salad only? There's no other information. 200 students were asked fruit salad or both. If 160 students like ice cream, okay. So there's no fruit salad only. So 0 here. 160. Okay. And there are 200 students. So therefore, 140 plus 20 is 160. So 200 minus 160, the answer is 40. 40 is here. 40 is here. Don't like fruit salad and ice cream. Okay, the question is, how many students like fruit salad only? The answer is 0. The answer is 0. Okay, the answer is 0. It's because there's no other. Fruit salad only. So 0. 0 is the answer. Okay, next, number 15. Number 15. Or number 10. Okay, in a survey of 1,200 households, 950 said they had television in the house, 350 said they have laptop, and 200 they had television and laptop. How many in the survey had television only? So there are two given gadgets, television and laptop. So there are 2 circles to be drawn, and our universal set is 1,200 is our cardinality of an universal set. So here, to answer this, so we have the universal set for you is 1,200. And there are 2 circles to be drawn, television and laptop. Okay. Now look at 200 said they had both television and laptop. So both means intersection. So intersection is here. So this should be 200. And afterwards, go back to other information from here. So we have 350 said they had laptop. For laptop is 350. So laptop 350, there is 200 already. So lacking 150. 150. And for television we have 950 said they have television. So 950, we have 200 already, so we have 750 for television only. Now if you add up, 750 plus 200 is 950. 950 plus 150 is 1,100. So 1,200 minus 1,100 and 100. So 100 is here. Okay, 750 plus 200, 950. 950 plus 150 is 1,100. And there are 1,200 house in a survey. So lacking 100. So So the 100 do not have any of these two. They are having a radio. Okay. Now, what is the question? So, the question for number 10 is here at other page. Okay. What is the question? How many in the survey had television only? Television only. So, here, we have television only. This is television only. This is 750. So, television only 750. So, the answer is here 750. Okay. So, number 11. Number 11. In a class of 45 students, 10 members, both members of both science club and math club. 22 are members of science club and 13 members of math club. But not science club. How many students in the class are not members of any of the two clubs? So there are two clubs given. So therefore, we will draw two circles. So class of 45 students, this is the cardinality of the universal set. This is 45. So here, still we will draw two circles. So our universal set, the cardinality universal set is 45. And there are two circles to be drawn. It's because two clubs, science and math. So this is science, and this is math. Now, okay. 10 are members of both science and math clubs. So this is intersection of science and math. Intersection. So we'll write here 10 at the center. Here, 10. Now, 45. Then 22 are members of science club. So this is science circle, this is science circle, and there is 10 already. What is lacking to 10 to get 22? It's 12 here. And let's proceed to the math. Okay. 22 are members of science club and 13 are members of math club. So for math club, 13. So this is 13, so lacking 3. So 13 for math club. And if you add up, 12 plus 10 is 22 plus 3. 22 plus is 25. And you will subtract 45 minus 25. The answer is 20. So 20 do not join science club and math club. They join recess. Okay, 20. Now, let's answer the question. How many students in the class are not members of any of the two clubs? Are not members any of the two clubs? It's 20. So it's 20. The answer for this is 20. Okay, so it's 20 because 12 plus 10, 22 plus 3, 25. So 45 minus 25, the answer is 20. So there are 45 students. Okay, so 10, let's review. 10 members of both sides. Okay, the answer for this one is 20. None on the choices. Now next, number 12, set X has 10 elements, set Y has 15 elements, and set X intersection Y has 5 elements. How many elements are in X union Y? Okay, let's draw the Venn diagram out of this. So there are two letters. So we have two letters. We have two circles to be drawn, X and Y. And the intersection of X and Y is 5 elements. Then set X has 10 elements. So X has 10. So there is 5 already, so lacking 5. So X circle X is 10. Next, set Y has 15 elements. So this is 15. So there is 5 already, so lacking 10. 10. Now, so what is X union Y? So union, X union Y. So you are going to add up 5 plus 5 plus 10, it's 20. Is there any 20 in the choices? Here is it, 20. Okay. Next, for 13 to 15. For 13 to 15. So we will refer on the problem. In a group of students, 65 play football, hockey, 45 hockey, and 42 play cricket. Okay, so there are 3 sports: football, hockey, and cricket. 20 play football and hockey, 25 play football and cricket, and 15 play hockey and cricket, and 8 play all 3 games. Find the total number of students in a group. Assume that each student in the group plays at least 1 game. So nobody who do not play any of the 3. So there's no complement. Nobody. So therefore, there are 3 sports. We will draw 3 circles. 3 circles. Intersecting circles. So this is football, and this is football, this is hockey, football, hockey, and this is cricket. Cricket, football, hockey, and cricket. Now let's start at the last data here. All 3 games. 8 play all 3 games. So this is intersection of the 3 sports: hockey, cricket, and football. So all three games you will write here at the center. That's 8. That's 8. And next is we have 15 play hockey and cricket. So this is hockey and this is cricket. So this circle, their intersection is this one. There are 15. So what is lacking to 8 to get 15? It's 7. 7. Next, 25 play football and cricket. Football and cricket. Their intersection is this one. So 25. What is lacking to 8 to get 25? It's 17. So this is 17. Okay, 25. Next, this information, 20 play football and hockey. So football and hockey. There are 20. So football and hockey. There are 20. So there is 8 already, so lacking 12. Now next, 45 play cricket. So for cricket, this is 45. So 8 plus 17, it's 25. 25 plus 7, it's 32. 25 plus 7 is 32. And what is lacking to 32 to get 42? It's 10. 10 for cricket. Now next is 45 play hockey. Hockey, 45. So there is 12, 8, and 7 already. 12 plus 8, 20 plus 7, 27. What is lacking to 27 to get 45? It's 27 is 18. So this is 18. 45. Now next, 65 play football. Football, 65. So there is 12 already. 12, 8, and 17. 65. So 65. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 17, 37. 37. What is lacking to 37 to get 65? 37 to get 65. It's 28. Okay, 20, 37, 28 equals 65. So 12 plus 8, 20 plus 17, 37 plus 28 is 65. So we had already the information. So let's answer number 13. Which of the following is incorrect based on the problem? The total number of students is 100. There are 28 students who played football only. Incorrect. So is it 100? So if you are to total everything, so this is 65 for football. Okay, 12 plus 8, 20 plus 17, 37, 37 plus 28, 65. 65 plus 10, 75. 75 plus 25, it's 100. Check. There are 28 students who played football only. Yes, 28 students football only. Check. 9 students played hockey only. Hockey only, 9 students. Oh, this is not correct. Hockey only, it's 18. It's 18 who play hockey only. So this is incorrect. Okay, so the answer is letter C. So, what is the total number of students in the survey? Total number of students in the survey. Total number of students. This refers to the union of the 3 sports. You are going to add up all of this. And the total of 28 plus 12 plus 8 plus 17 plus 10 plus 7 plus 18. The answer is 100. Okay. So number 15. How many students played football only? So here is football only. It's 28. 28 students. Thank you very much. This is the answer of your module.